Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. This is Teacher Another, your teacher for the session. Welcome back. So, our title for today is School Subjects and Activities. And by subjects, I mean things that we study at school. Good job. So, let's just see you in the learning outcomes. So, yes, learning outcomes are things you're supposed to know by the end of the session. So, let me read them for you. So, by the end of the session, you'll be able to, number one, talk about school subjects and activities. 2. Use I am good at to describe their strengths. 3. Expand vocabulary related to school subjects and activities. Okay, that's awesome. So let's just jump into the warm-up activity. Okay, so here we have different names of school subjects, all right? I just need to ask you, which subject do you like the most? Take your time and think. Okay, English, that's awesome. All right, and which subject is difficult for you? I mean, it's hard. Physics? Okay, yes, that's so good. So, yeah. Well, right now you just have to go and watch a video for 3 times, and when you come back, we have to answer these questions. But first, before going, let me read the questions for you. Question 1. What is Maya's favorite subject? 2. What does Omar like history? 3. What is Maya not good at? Okay, now please go and watch it. When you come back, we will answer. I'll wait for you.
What's your favorite subject?
I love science. I'm good at doing experiments.
Wow, I prefer history. It's so interesting to learn about the past.
That's great, but I'm not good at remembering dates.
I understand. Everyone has different strengths. What's your favorite subject?
I love science. I'm good at doing experiments.
Wow, I prefer history. It's so interesting to learn about the past.
That's great, but I'm not good at remembering dates.
I understand. Everyone has different strengths. What's your favorite subject?
I love science. I'm good at doing experiments.
Wow, I prefer history. It's so interesting to learn about the past.
That's great, but I'm not good at remembering dates.
I understand. Everyone has different strengths.
Okay, welcome back. So, question 1. What's Maya's favorite subject? Exactly, science. Very good. Okay, 2. Why does Omar like history? Exactly, yes, because for him it's so interesting to learn about the past. Good. Question 3. Why is Maya not good at? Yes, she's not good at remembering dates. Thank you so much. You're doing great. Okay, so let's see you in the vocabulary part. Okay, then let's learn some words related to our topic for today. First one is math. Please repeat. Math. Math. Good job. It's all about numbers and adding, multiplying, and so on. Yes. Then we have science. Science. Science, like doing experiments. Yeah, it's really interesting. Okay, then we have history. 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 Good job. History, it's all about the past events and dates. All right, good. Then we have art. Art. Art, like colors, painting, drawing. Yeah. After that, we have music. 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 Good job. We have experiment. 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 Yeah, like for example, adding substances on each other, doing like or exploring even new things. This is like doing experiment, trying new things actually. Okay, then we have project, project, project. Okay, homework, 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 classmate, classmate, classmate. It means your friend in your class or at the class, classmate. Then we have listen, 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 like what we're having now. This is a listen, okay? Test, test, test. Yeah, we do it like to know what are your like weakness points, strengths points, what do we need to work more on, and so on. Then we have teacher. Yes, like me, teacher, teacher. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go to our first practice. Simply, all you have to do is just to match the sentences with words, like match them together. So sentence 1, a subject where you study numbers. It's exactly math, thank you. 2, a subject where you learn about past events. History, good job. Well, 3, a subject where you do experiments. Yes, science. 4, a subject where you draw and paint. Art, good job. 5, a subject where you sing and play instruments. Music, good job. A task you do at home after class. Homework, great. A person who studies with you. Classmate. Then something you do to learn more about a topic. Project, good job. A period of study with a teacher. Lesson, okay, that's awesome. You're doing more than amazing, thank you. Okay, so let's see you in the phonics part. Well, here in the phonics, we just need to compare between the I sound, exactly the long one and the short one. So, words that contain long I and short I sounds. Let's take example. Science. Science, it's a long I, right? Well, on the other hand, we have history. History. Did I say history? No, it's history sound. So it's a short I. Okay? So science, history. Okay, that's awesome. Let's see you in the reading part. Okay, so now we have a small text. Let's read it together, then we'll answer a couple of questions. So, Omar loves going to school. His favorite subject is science because he enjoys doing experiments. He's also good at math and solving problems. His friend Ahmed prefers history. He likes learning about different countries and important events. In the afternoon, they have an art class and they enjoy painting together. Each student has their own favorite subject, and that makes school fun. Okay, awesome. So let's answer the questions. Question 1, what's Omar's favorite subject? Exactly, science, thank you. Question 2, why does Ahmed like history? Yes, because he likes learning about different countries and important events. Question 3, what do they do in the afternoon? Yes, they have an art class. Thank you so much, and let's see you in the grammar part. Okay, so here in the grammar, let's learn how can we speak about the subjects that we prefer. So the rule is simple. Use I am good at plus noun or verb, okay? But if you use the verb, try to add ing. So again, I am good at plus noun or I am good at plus verb ing. Why? To speak about or describe the strengths that you have. So for example, I am good at math. Here math is a noun, just add it as it is. Another example, she's good at painting. So here paint plus ing. She's good at painting. They are good at playing the guitar. Okay, thank you, thank you. So yeah, let's go to our second practice and simply have to choose the correct answer. So question 1, I'm good at? Yes, drawing, thank you. Question 2, he's good at essays. Writing essays, thank you. Question 3, they're good at the piano. Of course, playing, thank you. Question 4, she's good at math problems. Yes, solving math problems. Question 5, we're good at English. Speaking English. Thank you. Question 6. Are you good at swimming? Of course. Thank you. Question 7. My friend is good at history books. Yes, reading history books. Good job. And yeah, let's just see you on the speaking part. So yes, simply here in the speaking part, I need you to speak about your favorite subject. So simply you will say my favorite subject is, and of course you will say the reason because, and add more details. You can also say I'm good at and add your strengths points. All right, good. So let me ask you, what did you learn today? Yes, that's awesome. And yeah, this actually marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next session, inshallah. Don't forget your homework. Bye.